Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Preschool with Vaishali Learning and Playing. Students, today we are going to learn about seasons. There are 4 seasons in a year. Each season is special and beautiful. In every season, the weather changes. We wear different clothes, eat different foods, and enjoy different activities. Are you ready to learn about the 4 seasons? Let's begin. What are the seasons? A year has 4 different seasons. They are spring, summer, rainy, and winter. Each season has different weather, clothes, food, and activities. Now tell me, children, how many seasons are there in a year? Yes, there are 4 seasons. This is the spring season. The spring, flowers bloom. The weather is pleasant and nice. We see beautiful butterflies and colorful birds everywhere. Spring is happy and colorful season. Now answer my question. What do we see everywhere in spring? Yes, we see butterflies and birds. This is the summer season. Summer is hot. The sun shines brightly. We wear cotton clothes and caps to protect ourselves from the hot sun. We drink lots of water and fresh juices to stay healthy. Now answer my question. What do we drink in summer? Yes, the answer is we drink lots of water. Very good, children. This is the rainy season. It rains in the rainy season. We use umbrellas and raincoats to keep ourselves dry. We can see clouds, rainbows, frogs, and puddles everywhere. Now answer my question. What do we use in rainy season? Yes, we use umbrellas and raincoats. This is the winter season. Winter is cold. We wear warm clothes like sweaters, jackets, scarves, and caps. Sometimes we use see snow, snowman, and beautiful snowy mountains. Now answer my question. What do we wear in winter? Yes, we wear warm clothes. Great job, children. Now it is quiz time. Let's answer these questions. Which season is hot? Yes, the answer is summer. Next, which season has rain? Rainy season, yes. Next, which season is cold? Winter season, yes. Which season has flowers? Yes, spring season. Can you name all the 4 seasons? Yes, spring, summer, rainy, and winter. Excellent. Wonderful, children. Today we learn about the 4 seasons. Let's say them together one more time. Spring, summer, rainy, and winter. Very good. Thank you for learning with me. Good job. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.